Alright, here we come to the elevator at the Rainforset location at Moody Gardens that I do not know the actual name. It's a Schindler 330A with HT fixtures. That is a sick indicator. Do a quick ride on this 2R. Down to 1. The rear door is locked. Anyways, this is just your basic Schindler elevator. There goes the door. Just your basic Schindler elevator. I think this was installed in 2009. These are your HT VR fixtures. Stops with a bump. We're gonna get off here now. There it goes, and that's it.